Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best earwax picker is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for maintaining personal hygiene and auditory health, offering a safe and effective alternative to traditional cotton swabs which can push wax deeper into the ear canal. This innovative device is designed to gently and thoroughly remove excess earwax, preventing discomfort, potential hearing loss, and the risk of infection, ensuring your ears remain clean and healthy with minimal effort. It's a must-have for anyone prioritizing their well-being and seeking a superior solution for ear care. Number 5. Frida Baby 3-in-1 Nose, Nail Plus Ear Picker. Meet the ultimate grooming tool for your little one. It's designed for safely cleaning delicate areas. This versatile tool handles nose boogers, nail trimming, and ear wax removal with ease. Keep your baby clean and comfortable. Trust the experts who brought you the original snot sucker. We understand your baby's needs. Its thoughtful design ensures a gentle touch for your baby's sensitive skin. Cleaning has never been so worry-free. Simplify your baby care routine with this essential 3-in-1 tool. It's perfect for everyday use. Maintain your baby's hygiene effortlessly. This tool makes it simple to keep them fresh and clean. What we like. If you're a parent looking for a safe and gentle way to clean your baby's ears and nose, this is the perfect tool. Its multifunctional design makes it incredibly convenient for all your baby's grooming needs. You should consider this if you prioritize safety and ease of use for your little one. What people say. The earwax picker is designed with a spiral head that effectively removes earwax. It features a soft silicone tip that is gentle on the ear canal. The product includes multiple interchangeable tips for different needs. Number 4. BEBIRD R1 Earwax Removal Tool. Introducing the BEBIRD R1, a revolutionary tool designed for clear visualization of your ear canal. Its advanced camera technology lets you see every detail with exceptional clarity. Equipped with a high-precision 3 million pixel lens and 1080p HD resolution, it provides a wide-angle view. The integrated 6 LED lights ensure optimal illumination, even in the darkest areas. Connect seamlessly via Wi-Fi to our intelligent BEBIRD app on your smartphone or tablet. You can easily view, capture photos, and record videos of your ear canal in real time. This device acts as a powerful ear examination tool, allowing you to inspect and clean your ear canal effectively. It comes with multiple replacement tips suitable for both oily and dry ear conditions. Beyond ear care, it's a patented, multi-use tool perfect for examining your nose, teeth, and throat. With specialized observation kits, it offers comprehensive health checks for your nasal and oral cavities. Our innovative design, protected by patents, ensures safe and effective use. It's your go-to solution for detailed personal health inspections. What we like. If you want to see exactly what you're doing while cleaning your ears, this is the tool for you. The high-definition camera and app connectivity allow for a clear, real-time view, making ear cleaning more precise and less guesswork. You should consider this if you are looking for a modern, tech-integrated approach to ear care. What people say. The earwax picker has a very good design. It is easy to use and clean. The product works great and is very effective in removing earwax. The earwax picker is made of high-quality materials and feels durable. Number 3. Hion 6PCS Extended Ear Wax Removal Kit. Are you still using cotton swabs to clean your ears? Research shows they can be harmful, pushing wax deeper. A professional kit offers a safer alternative. Crafted from 316L stainless steel, this tool is rust-proof and hypoallergenic, preventing ear canal irritation or infection. Its nano-polished surface ensures a smooth, scratch-free experience. Featuring double-headed picks with various scoop designs, it effectively removes both dry and oily earwax. Different tools target specific types of buildup for a thorough clean. With an anti-slip grip and ergonomic design, cleaning your ears is safe and efficient. The various sizes ensure a perfect fit for all ear canals, from children to adults. Each tool is reusable and washable. A cleaning brush is included, and everything stores neatly in a portable case, perfect for home or travel. We are confident you'll love this effective ear cleaning kit. If you're not completely satisfied, please contact us for a solution. Add it to your cart today. What we like. If you prefer a traditional, manual approach to ear cleaning with high-quality tools, this kit is an excellent choice. The durable stainless steel construction and double-headed design ensure effective removal of both dry and oily earwax. You should consider this if you are looking for a reliable, long-lasting set of tools for thorough ear cleaning. What people say. The earwax picker has a unique spiral design that effectively removes earwax without causing discomfort. It comes with multiple interchangeable tips, making it hygienic and suitable for different ear canal sizes. The built-in LED light illuminates the ear canal, allowing for precise and safe earwax removal. Number 2. W102 Earwax Removal Irrigation Flushing System. Introducing our ear cleaning kit, designed for safe and gentle removal of earwax and debris. It effectively cleans your ears without causing any damage to the sensitive skin. Avoid expensive hospital visits with this convenient ear cleaning system. You can now clean your ears at home anytime you need, saving you time and money. Our thoughtful design includes disposable ear tips for each use. This ensures a sanitary experience, preventing infections and making it safe for multiple users. This earwax removal tool is suitable for everyone in the family, including children. It's a quick and effective solution for excess earwax buildup, providing a superior clean. We stand by our product with a 12-month replacement warranty. If you encounter any issues, please contact us for a quality product and excellent service. What we like. If you're looking for a safe and gentle way to flush out earwax without harsh methods, this irrigation system is ideal. The disposable tips ensure hygiene, and it's a cost-effective alternative to professional cleaning. You should consider this if you need a simple, sanitary, and budget-friendly solution for earwax buildup. What people say. The earwax picker has a very good design. It is easy to use and clean. The product is made of good quality material and it is very effective in removing earwax. The earwax picker comes with a variety of tips that are suitable for different ear canal sizes. Number 1. KAUGIC Upgraded Earwax Removal Kit. Experience a revolutionary design with our one-piece waste tank. It seamlessly combines clean and waste water, dispensing and collecting simultaneously for a cleaner, more efficient process. Your safety is paramount. Our ear cleaner features smart temperature control, indicated by a green light for ideal use and a red light to prevent overheating. This ear flushing kit is fully waterproof with an IPX7 rating, making it safe for use in the shower. Rinsing it under the tap is also a breeze for easy maintenance. Installation is straightforward. Simply align the O with the unlock symbol and rotate to lock when the water temperature indicator light is green, ensuring optimal temperature for use. Customize your cleaning experience with 4 adjustable water pressure settings. Easily select your preferred intensity by pressing the power mode button. This effective ear irrigation kit is eligible for FSA and HSA spending, making it a convenient health choice. What we like. If you want a smart, safe, and efficient ear irrigation experience, this device is a top contender. Its integrated waste tank simplifies the process, and the water temperature sensor prevents overheating for maximum safety. You should consider this if you are looking for an advanced, user-friendly, and safe ear cleaning system. What people say. The earwax picker has a very good design and is easy to use. It effectively removes earwax without causing any discomfort. The product is made of high-quality materials and feels durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.